Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is your friendly neighborhood Eagle Scout, Clayton Sanchez here, and today we're going to learn how to use a compass. The type of compass we're going to learn to use today is the baseplate compass, and it's the simplest type of compass to use. First things first, we need to know the parts of a compass and what each one is used for, so we can use the compass correctly and we don't get lost. First we have the baseplate. It is the clear plastic bottom of the compass indicated by the blue circle. It holds the entire compass together. Next we have the bearing guideline. It's used to align the bearing numbers on the compass housing with a direction of travel arrow. There's one on top of the blue ring of the compass housing and one on the baseplate. After that we have the compass housing, or the bezel. It contains the compass needle, orientation arrow, and the bearing numbers. Please do not panic and think the compass is broken when the compass housing turns. It's supposed to do that to allow you to find a bearing direction. Next is the compass needle. The compass needle is used to indicate which direction north and south is. It's also used to find a specific bearing, which I'll explain how to do later. Following that, we have the direction of travel arrow, also known as the dot arrow. When holding the compass in your hand, you should always be doing it in a way that allows this arrow to point in the direction that you're facing. Finally, we have the orientation arrow, or navigational arrow. It's used alongside the compass needle to find a specific bearing direction. Now we are ready to do what's known as shoot a bearing or take a heading. To find a bearing direction with a baseplate compass, you'll need to pick the direction you want in the bearing numbers, and then turn the compass housing to align the line for that number with the bearing guideline. Today, for example, we would use the bearing of 300 degrees. Once you have turned the bezel to line up the number for 300 degrees with the bearing guideline, you have to hold the compass level to the ground so the compass needle will align with north. Once you have done that, turn your body and not the compass until the north end of the compass needle aligns with the orienteering arrow on the bottom of the compass housing. Now that we have done all of that, we are lined up with the bearing of 300 degrees. To choose a different heading, repeat this process with the desired bearing number. I hope you found this slideshow useful and informative. In my next video, I will teach you how to read a topographical map, and in a following video, I will show you how to use the two together. Thanks again and have fun.